Are you looking for a Black Friday deal that's 50% off or more? Have you been interested in embroidery? I have the best machine for you. This is the Bernette b70 dedicated embroidery machine. Hi, I'm Angelina with Quality Sewing and Vacuum. This embroidery machine is amazing and is going to help you level up your crafting and DIY skills. It comes with 3 hoops right out of the gate: small size hoop, our medium hoop, and our large hoop. The large hoop can embroider up to 6 by 10, so this is great for getting down a pant leg, between some shoulder blades, or for doing in the hoop projects. The Bernette b70 comes with over 200 built-in embroidery designs and 7 built-in fonts. It has a 5-inch touchscreen that makes it so easy to select designs and make your creations come to life. So to get set up for embroidery, we're going to select our design. We can see here that we've got folders that have our font sets in it. This one here has 2 pages. This capacitive touchscreen moves very easily with the stylus, or you can tab through left to right. I'm going to select from one of my folders here the design that I want to stitch out. I'm going to select this cute little flower. And it has fit it into the large size hoop that it knows that I need to stitch out this design. Now, if I wanted to change that, I can select my hoop over here and select my hoop options. And now I can reposition it within the hoop however I want. Say I wanted it to go the other direction. If I select my I button right here, my editing menu pops up. And now if I wanted to mirror image that, or flip it upside down, or rotate it even just a slight angle, I can do that very simply. Now that I have it exactly where I want it and I'm ready to stitch, I select this needle button. I'm going to insert my hoop. Now on the screen here, it's going to tell me all my thread changes. I can change it to a 1-color design if I'd like, and we're ready to start sewing. So the possibilities are endless when you have a dedicated embroidery machine. There are things that I can make on here that I don't have to make with my sewing machine anymore. Have you ever done an in the hoop project? That's where everything is stitched completely in the hoop. Like this little sunglasses case I made. I didn't even insert the zipper on my sewing machine. This was all done in my embroidery hoop. These are so fun to make and give as gifts. Who doesn't love a plant that you don't have to worry about killing? One of the best things about having a dedicated embroidery machine is that it can be embroidering while I'm still sewing on my other sewing machine. What else am I going to do? Housework? We all know that's not going to happen. So get yourself a dedicated embroidery machine so you can work on 2 projects at the same time. If you are already an embroiderer and you want a second machine, this machine reads all embroidery formats. So it doesn't matter what machine you have as your main machine, you can still use all the designs you already have on this one. So if you're looking for a screaming deal on a dedicated embroidery machine, this machine has an amazing Black Friday special. It's over 50% off and it can be yours for only $999. So order yours today at qualitysewing.com or stop into any of our Washington State locations to take yours home today.